am making gumbo. Chicken is in micro. Here's my roux. Needs to be super black, dark brown. Here's my sausages. This is green onion and celery. No, I'm so sorry. This is green sweet bell peppers and celery. Red onion, carrots, and yellow sweet bell pepper. Okay, after it looks like this, I'm gonna add my veggies and whatnot. And this is pretty much flour and oil together, so watch out. Hey, that wasn't as bad. Wasn't as bad like last time. All of this with the roux. Cover this up. And I'm adding garlic in there.
A little disclaimer here. I am no gumbo specialist. Now everybody has their own way and technique to making gumbo. Now don't come at me in the comments. I am using what I have in the pantry and in the freezer and fridge.
Here's my sausages, cute and pretty. I'm just gonna let it, cook a little bit until you see little bits of brown right on the exterior. Okay, with this part, you might wanna be careful. Just like that. Oh yeah. Look how it changed color, bro. I'm adding 2 more cups of water. Now this is a big batch, so 2, 4, 6, perfect, 8 cups into. I'm just gonna stir it up a little bit here. Make sure the sides don't have any flour or anything like that. Stirring utensil as my guide to kind of see where the flour is. Okay, now we're moving to the sausages. Noelle likes gumbo a lot, and so does Jeremy. I do too. It's hard to hate it because it's got a lot of things going on, and lots of textures, lots of flavors, lots of veggies in there, and 3 kinds of meat. Now I didn't add obviously blue crab because we're not ready for that. We just like it plain like this. Sometimes I make it super plain where it's just chicken and sausages, which is really good too. I'm adding shrimp on this. Alright, here we go. It's in there. Then we shove with it. There we are. Okay, now we're adding our shredded chicken. And I saved this for my dog. There you go. Good boy. Now I'm just gonna stir this up. Y'all, it's coming along. It's coming along, baby. Okay, now I'm adding my seasonings in. Tony's. Tony's never heard nobody say. A little bit of salt, not too much. Sometimes I go heavy on salt, but I learned not to because of my high blood pressure. I did add some other stuff in there. Just gonna let that sit there for a second until we add the shrimp. Now I have me here some Kroger brand cooked shrimp, colossal shrimps, and the tail on. Unfortunately, I don't have the heads. These will work just fine. Now I trust these are clean already because it says cooked. Anyway, we're gonna dunk some in. Hello. A little piece in there. I know what you guys are probably saying. Oh my gosh, why does she use frozen shrimp? Well, guess what, motherfucker? We're up in the mountains, so we can't get fucking live shrimps, okay? kudos to you if you do end up getting live streams or whatever, like fresher than fresh with the heads on. Good for you. Like, this is the way I have been making it, so let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Now, let that cook. Lid on. About like that. Now, it wouldn't be a gumbo if you don't add your okra. So I'm adding this last because this one takes no time at all. It's like 2 minutes. So yeah, this is the before. Okay, I'm adding my okra right now. Yeah, boy. Got some kick to it. I have my little rice in the corner. So I'm gonna show y'all how it be looking. Yeah, that's enough for me. Okay, I'm gonna have some now. Everybody ate already. Got a little kick to it too. Well, that wraps up the night. Hope you all like the video. Comment, like, subscribe.